We will now install a Coinomi wallet on the phone of the employee of the restaurant, so he can also have this positive experience and he can have his own Bitcoin on his own phone to observe how the value changes over time, so he can gain confidence, and this is how it works. To open the wallet, we touch Coinomi, and now, because Coinomi is such an excellent wallet, it's like the most well thought wallet I've ever seen, and it just is so security focused. Okay, so now it's telling that it's risky if you run this wallet on a rooted device, because you never know who has installed a keylogger or whatever, and then you might have an issue. We will create a wallet here, and this is giving us his secret phrase. Okay, so this is his secret phrase for now, but we will change it. Okay, we will make a pause now, then we change it so nobody can steal his funds, because if we would use his phrase now, then it would be the case. So, touching this button up here, we can generate new seed phrases, okay? And now we will skip this step, because I will just send him 10 cents. And his phone is worth much more than 10 cents. So it makes no sense to do all this complicated stuff, but it is important that he knows that this exists. And he already has an answer to the question which will pop up in his head: what do I do if I lose my phone? Okay, so the answer to this question is you write down this code, and then when you lose the phone, you can recover your wallet with the next phone. So now we will skip this step, and we will touch here to skip this step, and afterwards we will also skip the step of putting a password. Okay, but now I will have to pause, go back, and we will make a new phrase. So, okay, so here we are again, and we will skip the password as well, because it should be first easy. Okay, first people have to understand the benefit of the coin before we occupy their minds with all the security issues. And they have to learn that the banks actually are very insecure, and the credit card system is also very insecure. So here we have the screen to select the coins which he wants to manage. And as he is not rich, he has no digital gold, and he will, when the time he is rich, then Bitcoin Cash will be the better investment. So there's no need to use Bitcoin for him. Okay? So we will use Bitcoin Cash, which is the money which has no transaction costs or very, very little. And then we will use Dash as well, which is the most widespread coin, which is very focused on being a money for the people. And it has the most secure network, and it has the fastest transactions. And you will also see that now in the video. Then we will go ahead and create the wallet. And now the Coinomi wallet tells us that we are responsible for our own coins, okay? Nobody can recover the coins. If you lose access to your phone and you have not made a backup of the backup phrase, you lose your coins. And this is what they are telling here, okay? So we agree that we are conscious about our responsibility. And now we have the starting screen, which shows Dash and Bitcoin Cash. And I just realized we lost access to the Wi-Fi. So here we are, and we just connected his phone to the Wi-Fi. Now he can receive his first Dash donation. Please, por favor, toca el Dash. Y mira, ahí arriba tienes un menú. Porfa, elige lo que quieres. Perfecto. Quieres recibir. Okay, he just touched receive in the menu, and now I will choose Dash in my Coinomi wallet. I will touch the scan button on the top right and I will scan his QR code. Okay, scanned, and now for his effort we will send him like boom, $1. Usually I just send 10 cents because I cannot afford to give away so much money every day, but he has really done a big effort. So now we are creating, boom, already sent. Okay, let's check how long does it take to arrive. We will make a Bitcoin Cash transaction right afterwards. Porfa, elige la otra moneda que es Bitcoin Cash y vamos a hacer otra transacción de Bitcoin Cash en la misma manera. Listo, ya lo domina, perfecto. Mira, y aquí yo tengo ahora Bitcoin Cash, elijo escanear otra vez, boom, pongo $1 otra vez, pongo mi contraseña y envío y ¡yup! Ya enviado, ya lo veo aquí que es de camino. Okay, I see here it's on the way, and now we will check in his balance. Porfa, toca balance. Vamos a ver. Sí, porfa, tira arriba, abajo. Okay, we will refresh to see. Oh, okay. So it is on the way. He can see the transaction, but he cannot spend it yet because with Bitcoin Cash it takes 10 minutes for each transaction to be in a block. And now here in the menu we will change for Dash. And let's refresh here and let's see how is Dash doing. Okay, it's the same thing with Dash. Dash has a block time of 2.5 minutes, but actually they just activated instant send. So this wallet seems to not have updated to what the Dash network is capable of, okay? But it also treats Bitcoin Cash in the same way, because if you use a wallet which can forward unconfirmed transactions, which is not so secure and it has some issues, and because you can only forward it like a certain amount of times, then you would be able to forward it right now, like the Bitcoin.com wallet, okay? But the Bitcoin.com wallet is not very secure and it has a lot of bugs. So that's why we use the Coinomi wallet, which relies on the old school way Bitcoin was supposed to work, like wait for the transaction to be in a block, to be totally secure and spendable, okay? We know it is arriving, we know it has arrived, okay. But to be spendable again, it should be in a block. And now here's the menu. And let's check on the overview, por favor. Gracias. Mira, vamos a esperar y hasta que aquí tenemos el saldo. Sí. Así tú puedes actualizar. And now we are waiting for the transactions to arrive. Okay? We want to really see the difference between Dash and Bitcoin Cash so that everybody can make his own decision on which coin is better or more usable for their use case. Okay, so the Dash transaction has arrived, and as you can see on the time on the phone, it only took like a minute. Okay, so now he can actually spend the Dash already, while we still have to wait for the Bitcoin Cash to be spendable, because it is actually only really spendable and really trustable if it's in a block. That's how Bitcoin is designed. Okay, we are waiting for the transaction to arrive. Now it's about 8 minutes we are waiting, and well, since already 7 minutes we are able to spend our Dash. So that's a real advantage because Dash is much faster, and now it's like instantly respendable, and even all the exchanges, they don't need any confirmation. Like they need a confirmation, but the confirmation comes in really like 3 seconds because it's in the block so fast with all the masternode network. So we are waiting for Bitcoin Cash to arrive, and we will show you again when it has arrived. Okay, now the Bitcoin Cash is spendable. It has arrived, and we will check. Porfa, toca uno de los dos, and we will check how it now looks different. Mira, ahora se ha convertido en verde.
¿Qué está recibiendo?
Eso, ya es en el bloque. Okay, when it goes into the block, it changes to green. Perdón. Mira, y aquí toques, porfa, el menú y cambia por Bitcoin Cash. Okay, it's changing to Bitcoin Cash, and okay, also here it has arrived. And now it says 31 minutes ago. That's strange. Well, because porfa toca aquí. Because everybody saw the time of the phone, right? Okay, that's strange. Vamos por atrás. So my phone is on a similar time to his. So, well, vamos por el Dash y vamos a ver ahí 42 minutos. Okay, so this shows that Dash has arrived 9 minutes before the Bitcoin Cash has arrived. So it's 10 times faster in this case. And with Instant Send activated, it is 600 times faster until it is spendable, securely spendable.